Hi အားလုံးပဲမင်္ဂလာပါပုံပါဒီနေ့ sharing လုပ်ပေးခြင်းနဲ့အကြောင်းအရာလေးကတော့ rock and roll music ဖြစ်ပေါ်လာတဲ့လှပတဲ့ပုံမြင်လေးတစ်ပုဒ်ကိုပုံကပြောပြပေးသွားမှာပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ် Beethoven Nightmare is the one-bit special concert. They have played rock and roll music for 30 years. The first event is Turn It Up Louder. The members of this band are Steve Longo, Eve Chivy, Bob Hurtelman, and the last member is Paul Racine. He joined as a singer. They first met in college in Washington, D.C. They started a band and played college functions such as Rock Festival, Pageant, Fraternity, and their ultimate senior graduation party. Although they have been that they can feel the music, their parents, teacher, friend, as like this, point you can't hear. Each point use sign language to answer, and their motivation speech is that I'm gonna do anyway. The solution is I can feel. Longo and TV started put on her phones and playing the guitar. They turned up the volume to have the people who are deaf. This band has encouraged many people with their imperfections to catch their dreams. Chibi always says like this, the only thing that people can do is hear. ဒါကတော့ဝန်ဒီနေ့ sharing လုပ်ပေးခြင်းနဲ့ rock and roll music ဖြစ်ပေါ်လာတဲ့လှပတဲ့ story လေးတစ်ပုဒ်ပဲဖြစ်ပါတယ်။နောက် vlog တွေမှာဝန်တို့ပြန်တွေ့ကြပါမယ်။ Bye bye. See you next vlog.